Hello guys, back again with me. At this time, we will review cool toys again. See, there are lots of toys. But before continuing to the video, first press like and subscribe so that I am enthusiastic about creating other content, and I will give you guys have a really cool car as a gift. What are you waiting for? Come on, like and subscribe as much as possible. Wow! Look, guys, there are lots of toys. Let's look at them one by one. Let's go. We take it. And we found a truck carrying sand. We take it again. Wow, and now this one. Wadidaw, the red car is really cool. We take it again. There is a tank car, which is red and white. We take it again. Whoa, there is an excavator car, Beko car. We take it again. And this one is an orange Jeep. Cool? We take it again. Wow, there is a cool blue racing bike. We take it again. And this last one is a steel tank car, guys. Cool. We take it again. And look here, there is a red fuel oil tanker. Cool. We take it again. And the first toy is a fire engine or firefighter. We take it again. There is a toy car with a tank. We take it again. Wow, and now this one. Wadidaw, the red car is really cool. We take it again. And we found a truck carrying sand. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a sand transport car. This car is yellow in color. We take it again. And look here, there is a red fuel oil tanker. Cool. We take it again. Look, guys, and it turns out that this is a white racing car. We take it again. Wow, and next there is a yellow train. Cool. We take it again. Wow. It turns out that this is an Avanza car belonging to Bizarreness. We take it again. And look, this is an orange racing car. Cool. We take it again. Wadidaw in this one. This is a cool box car. We take it again. Whoa, there is an excavator car, Beko car. We take it again. Wow, and this is a yellow Mullen car. Cool. We take it again. Look, guys, here there is a caterpillar toy. This caterpillar toy is green in color. Okay, and now I have stored all the toys in the Tronton truck. Tomorrow, we will meet again. So you don't miss other interesting videos on my channel, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. See you.